What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back with another video, and today I got something else early, and I told you guys we got a couple early bangers and we have another one coming tomorrow. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do that video because I didn't tell you guys I hit on the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Desert Sage, man. As you guys do know, in my Yeezy season video when I was talking about the Yeezy, I was like, bro, I really want these, and I haven't got a pair of Yeezys all year, I think. Yeah, I don't think I got any Yeezys this year so far. So this is my first Yeezy pickup of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. You guys go back and fact check me, but I do think this is my first Yeezy of 2020, man. But we got these joints in. I'm trying to figure out, like I said, how I'm gonna do that early video tomorrow, because I'm trying to be first with that, you know what I mean? I got a dope pair of Jordans coming in early, and as you guys do know, they pushed back the release date for a lot of shoes, man. I got two of them right here, and the third one is actually in this box, man. Here goes the first one. Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. If you guys have not checked out this early review, this early look, this early on feet, you guys make sure you go check it out. Dope video, dope on feet. I gave you guys like 4 different pants or jeans that you can wear. I even throw a pair of jogs in there, so please go check it out. Go share that video, and I appreciate everybody that got this channel to 23,000 subscribers, bro. It's super lit, man. So here goes the first one, Fire Red 5s. Set them right here, and then we have the Air Jordan 6 DMP, man. They pushed the release back on both these joints, and everybody like, bro, why are they pushing the release back on all the J's? I kind of dropped a little bit of that knowledge yesterday. If you have not checked it out, go check out my last video. It was over these. I was pretty much telling you guys, like, they pushing the release back because most of our shoes come from overseas, and this whole coronavirus stuff going on, they don't want to pretty much like spread it, you know what I mean? If they got it inside the box or if people was touching it that had it overseas, you never know what's going on. So that's probably why Jordan brand is prolonging all these releases, and they probably gonna keep pushing it back as long as this epidemic keep going on. And who knows when we're actually gonna get the shoe. We don't know when the malls are gonna get the shoes. We don't know when, like, you know, the Detail R's, the Jimmy Jazz and stuff gonna get their shipment from Jordan, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what is gonna happen as far as Jordan releases, as far as pushing them out and being a GR, because lately nothing has been dropping that I really want. So everything that I've been getting that the release date kept getting pushed back was right here, man. So these right here was a must cop for 2020, these Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds. I'm telling you guys, these things are super dope, and the leather quality on these joints is something that I have not felt on the Air Jordan 5 in a long time. Maybe the only 5. Actually, D-Guy Juice was letting me know, and he reminded me that the Lenny 5s did have actually better leather than this, in my opinion. It had super tumbled leather on the Air Jordan 5 Lanies. I had those my senior year in high school, so I was like, damn, though, I do remember those had super, you know what I'm saying, good leather on them joints. And this leather right here kind of reminds me of the Air Jordan 5 like alternate grips who got like that Hornets colorway of the 5s. If you guys know what I'm talking about, just go search it, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But those had good quality as well as far as the leather, man. But these right here, hey, these things is on point, boys. So make sure you go check out that review and on feet over these. So before we get into this box, man, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit that notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, early look, live stream, whatever drops on the channel. You guys will get notified if you hit that bell. Also, hit the like button right now. And I go for every video is 100 likes. We surpassed that with this early look yesterday, man, so I really appreciate it. But if you guys want to see how either one of these look, like I said, I dropped early reviews, no feats on both these joints, so please go check them out. And head over to IG right now. It'll be linked down below, so you can give me a follow over on IG. So with all that being said, let's jump right into these early Jordans, man. Let's get it. All right, shouts out to Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. His name is JayTheSneakerGuy, but I call him JayTheSneakerGuy, man. He getting everything, he touching everything. His channel is going crazy right now. I'm really enjoying this content. I like the work ethic I'm seeing. Hey, make sure you guys go head over to JayTheSneakerGuy's channel and subscribe, man. I will link him down below. But I did get these from him, pretty much for retail, man. So shouts out to my boy, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to get right into it. And I know y'all like, bro, hurry up and show the shoe already, you know what I mean? But I had to pretty much put that out about these Jordans and stuff getting pushed back, because actually this shoe right here, I do believe this is probably gonna get pushed back, or it already did. I don't see it on any of the Foot Locker apps and stuff like that. But we're gonna get into it real quick. Oh, let me go ahead and grab it real quick. Here we have it, here we have it. Check it out, check it out. Hey, shouts out to Jay, you know what I'm saying? Secure these things nice and tight, you feel me? Make sure the box don't get damaged. Let's figure out how to get up in here real quick. All right. You guys should already know what they are when you see this box. You see that flight down here, and you kind of see the Jordan, It's like flipped. You know, we getting these boxes that's weird lately. We got it with the Air Jordan 6 dip piece and the Air Jordan 3. What was it called? Air Jordan 3 Unites and the Shines. Both of them had that split box, but this Jordan sign is flipped a little bit this way. So Air Jordan 4 Retro SE. These retail for $225. Oh my gosh, crazy. And then fish colorway is Cool Gray, Bolt, and Wolf Gray, man. Size 9 action. You guys already know what it is. And let's get into it. Let's get it. Okay. And here we have it, man. Air Jordan 4 Neons, or Air Max 95s, whatever you want to call them, man. Very dope. Just check them joints out. You guys already know you about to get hit with tremendous B-roll for these Jordans. I didn't want to do the review on feet just now because I did want to talk about and push a little bit further the information on why the Jordans and stuff is getting pushed back. But you guys are getting early looks on pretty much everything that's dropping in the next couple months. And then on Saturday, tomorrow, you guys are going to see something that's very crazy, bro. So y'all stay tuned for that. So let's pull both these out the box real quick. Put the paper back right here. Put these joints right here. There you have them, man. Check it out. Check it out. Very, very clean. I'm happy to have these joints in the collection. You guys see what's going on. You see that Nike Air on the back. And this first things first, you have like a suede on the midsole. And that is I never seen a shoe like that. This is my first time seeing it. Yeah, it's suede all the way down to like where the heel drag mostly be at. So we're gonna see how that's gonna turn out a couple, you know what I'm saying, months down the line with your boy rocking these. But it is Air Max month, you know what I'm saying? And he's pretty much inspired by the Air Max 95s. You guys already know which Air Maxes I'm talking about. The Volt 95s, and they got the Volt colorway in pretty much every silhouette of the Air Maxes, man. But here you have it. Very dope. You guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you'll be going after these Air Jordan 4 Neons or Air Max 95s, whatever you want to call them. I think they dope. I think this would be a nice pickup, maybe on the outlet bound side of things, you feel me? Because that retail price is $225, and it's a couple other things I can see you guys going out to get rather than these right here. But I must say that just having them right here, the quality is nice. They dope to me, and I wouldn't mind picking them up. So as you guys see, I do have them early, and I did get these for you guys to see how you liking them, how you digging them, if you're gonna be copying, if you're dropping, if you're gonna wait for they hit the outlets. You never know with most of these Jordan releases lately, but once you always want to bring back up all year, and I think that's gonna be maybe one of the most hyped, slept on sneakers of the year is the Air Jordan 3 UNCs. I did not expect that shoe to sell out like that. Then the resale price hiked up about, you know what I'm saying, $100 of retail. And then now it's slightly going back down. So we're going to see how that actually plays out. Maybe by the end of the year, they go all the way back down, or they go all the way up past 300 price range, man. But I cannot wait to get my pair in the collection. You guys already know I've been wanting to get those for a minute. I did a review over the Air Jordan 3 UNCs already. So if you ain't checked that out, please head over there. I did that when I was down in Tampa, Florida. Very dope shoe. Shouts out to Volt A13 again for letting me, you know what I'm saying, give you guys that review over those Air Jordan 3 UNCs, man. I was on a plane, I landed, and then of course I took the L because everybody was like, oh, there's some resale in this joint. So everybody's bought them up, and then yeah, your boy had to pay resale for the Air Jordan 3 UNCs. But back to these fours, I want to get you guys' opinion over these. Something that is not hyped, I guess you could say, but if they would put like a number on it, of course, everybody like, oh yeah, they super fire, they super fire. And you guys already know that they would have, you know what I'm saying, sold out. But here you have it. And I think that is actually like a 3M hit on the back where it says Nike Air. Something like, you know what I'm saying, the tongue on the fire edge. Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, I think this is a 3M on the back. We're gonna see that on the review over these fours. But like I said, first impressions, I'm really digging them. I want to get you guys' opinion over these fours as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing and me talking about the Jordan releases getting pushed back in 2020. Hopefully it's just something that stops. Hopefully we get a cure for the coronavirus and everything goes back to normal, because I miss when the shoes are actually released on the actual release date. That's always good. And you can go, you know what I'm saying, do your little pickups. Everything goes according to the schedule, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. If you have not liked that video yet, man, make sure you hit that like button right now for your boy. The goal for every video is over 100 likes. I always shoot for 100 or more. That'd be very dope. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. Hit the notification bell right now if you haven't already, so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, man. Please head over to the Air Jordan 5 fire red video, so you can go leave a like over there and tell me what you feel about these 5s, and also check out the DMP6 that I dropped for you guys as well, man. Both very dope shoes. And I gotta add another one that I'm really digging is these Air Max 4s, man. And Saturday I have something else early for you guys, so stay tuned for that one. I'm telling you, hit the notification bell right now so you're not gonna miss that one. I appreciate all of support. Thank you for pulling up to the video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.